welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. If you are a Bittorrent holder, so this video is very special for you, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Bittorrent and what's the change going, what's the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update. Now let's see the Bittorrent price prediction. What's the price change goes in a Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour, and what's the currently status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies markets. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of Bittorrent of the previous last 2 hour. As you can see here, the changes is negative 2.22% chance occur in Bittorrent in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.009062 is the high price of Bittorrent in the previous last 2 hour. Friends, if we look the chart analysis of Bittorrent, so the chart analysis is fast down in the previous hour, but don't worry, as you can see here, the currently status of the Bittorrent as absolutely good now. Currently they are ready for explosion. Their big explosion starts now, friends. Now that's the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes in the Bittorrent in the last 1 hour? Let's see on the screen. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of Bittorrent. As you can see here, as I show you in the previous last 2 hour price prediction, that currently they starts moving upward, but unfortunately the last 1 hour price prediction chart tell us that now currently they are in the falling again, start falling down. So as if we see the every change occur in the Bittorrent absolutely bad, negative 3.19% change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.009062 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, friends. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour, the last 2 hour price prediction goes down. The changes are both negative. So a lot of people confused that what should they do in this time. So my suggestion for all of you, if you are a holder of Bittorrent, so hold your Bittorrent with the end of this month, and if you want to sell it, so no, it's not a solution of this stock that Bittorrent start falling down in the previous 2 hours that you sell it now. No, that's not a solution. My suggestion for you to hold it, because their big pumps are coming soon, so wait for their big pumps and hold your Bittorrent. If you want to sell it, so it's not a best time to sell it. If you want to buy it, it's also not a best time to buy it. So friends, share your opinion about Bittorrent in a comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.